our channel. Join us as we explore Penn's Cave. Enjoy watching and have a beautiful day. Hello YouTube friends! Welcome back to Simply Going Places. Today, we're visiting one of Pennsylvania's most fascinating natural attractions, Penn's Cave. Located in the peaceful countryside near Center Hall, Penn's Cave is known as America's only all-water cavern, meaning the entire cave tour happens on a guided boat ride across an underground stream. As we arrive, the area feels calm and scenic, surrounded by rolling hills, farmland, and forests typical of central Pennsylvania. It's hard to imagine that beneath this quiet landscape lies a hidden world carved by nature over millions of years. Our adventure begins as we board a small boat and slowly glide toward the cave entrance. The moment we enter, daylight fades behind us and the temperature becomes cooler. The atmosphere instantly feels mysterious and exciting. All around us are incredible limestone formations that have formed slowly over thousands of years. You'll see stalactites hanging from the ceiling and stalagmites rising from the cave floor, created by minerals left behind by dripping water. The cave itself is believed to have formed over millions of years. As water gradually dissolved the limestone rock, carving out the tunnels and chambers we see today. Penn's Cave is also rich in history. The cave was named after William Penn, the founder of Pennsylvania. According to local stories, Native American tribes once used the cave as shelter and a gathering place long before European settlers arrived. The peaceful silence makes the experience even more special. The only sounds you hear are the gentle movement of the water and the guide sharing stories about the cave's geology and history. Inside the cave, the water is calm and crystal clear. The boat moves quietly through the underground passage, and the reflection on the water create a magical effect along the cave walls. After about 45 minutes, the boat slowly makes its way back toward the cave entrance. As daylight reappears, the underground adventure comes to an end, but there's still more to explore. Above ground, Penn's Cave is also home to a wildlife park where visitors can take a guided bus tour through large natural habitats. The combination of an underground boat tour and a wildlife experience makes Penn's Cave a truly unique destination in Pennsylvania. Whether you're a nature lover, a traveler searching for hidden gems, or simply curious about underground wonders, Penn's Cave offers a memorable experience that you won't find anywhere else. If you ever travel to Pennsylvania, this is definitely a place worth adding to your list. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.